What's the problem? You look so tense and what's the problem?
Romance, we spent a amount of money to engage the services of the lawyer that took Sazi and his boy from bail, from police custody. Can you show me just one thing we have managed to gain from that investment? The answer is nothing. Remember that I was asking you that we should leave a man that was facing the law. Let him face the law. You said no, that we should move in as friends. Are we not suddenly up against the madman? Are we not? We have enough weapons already. We have enough weapons already. What we need is the willpower to strike. And they will strike. The willpower.
Willpower. Well, friend George, that's something you cannot take away from me.
And that is?
The fact that I know this negative business too.
Really?
Yes. I like striking when my victims are.
And when in this world, completely helpless? When?
Soon. Very soon. I was hanging out with Baron 3 days ago. And I know that I'm planning to fall apart with Esin. And very soon, he'll be vulnerable in his new apartment. We'll open up and we'll strike.
Romance, I don't know what you're planning, but I want to tell you something. The land we are talking about is the only land that I have. I bought that land with all the money that I made. In fact, I can tell you here and now that land is the only investment that I have. And I'm not in a hurry to allow Sazi to take that land. I would never allow him to take that land. So whatever thing you are planning, plan it. But I want you to understand that we need to move. We need to rise up and strike like men.
Strike like men.
I'm telling you, we need to strike like men.
Yes. George, come back here. Come back. Come back. Sit down. Now listen. You see?
Which one of these phones rang?
This one in particular. It's been ringing consistently.
For how long now?
It's just been ringing like consistently.
Who could that be?
I don't have an idea. I was going to take the call for you, but...
Don't you say the fact that I'm messing with you don't mean you should mess with my phone. No one ever messes with my phone.
Why do you speak to me in that manner?
What's this?
Was that not rude? The civilized thing to say is hello.
Please, who is this?
Well, this is Romance.
How did you get this number?
Are you still living in the dark? This is digital age where all things are possible. Okay? Listen to me. I spent a fortune, big money, to hire the services of a lawyer that bailed you out. And all you did in appreciation is to cross my path. To cross my path. Is that not rude?
Who gave you this number?
Let us not get into nonsense. We are all experts in this negative business. Okay? Do not provoke the beast in me. I warn you, do not provoke the beast in me. Get out of that land. I repeat, leave that land, or you will face hell.
And you listen to me. If you ever call this number again, I will terminate your miserable life from planet Earth.
Who's that?
Some idiots. What's no business calling me? Calling my hotline.
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you were here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold.
Romance, you're not telling me anything. What exactly did he say?
I said nothing. But my conclusion is, we need something stronger than weapon, than guns, to force him to submission.
I don't get it. Is there anything on earth that is stronger than weapon?
You want to understand? Just drink. Drink. Let me make my inquiries. By the time I'm through, the proper time, I'll tell you what to do. Let's just drink.
Don't be afraid. I do know stupid thing. Like you must listen to me, Varro. Call me with any of these numbers. Call me tomorrow so we can talk.
I can't wait to do the discussing now. I can't wait to do the talking now. I can't wait till tomorrow.
Call me tomorrow so we can talk. I told you, don't do anything stupid. Call me tomorrow so we can discuss. Call me.
My friend, what's the meaning of this? Open the gate. Come on, bro, open the gate.
What are you shouting for? Why are you shouting? You should be begging and not shouting. Huh?
I should be begging.
Yes.
Are you mad? Open the gate.
My brother, you need to pay your security levy. Eh? Or do you want to tell me that you're ignorant of the existence of us in this close? Eh? And you're shouting. Open the gate.
There's no kind of rubbish I will not see in my life. Security levy.
Is that the reason why you do not want to open the goddamn gate?
I don't know what you mean by goddamn gate, though. Yes, I'm not the one that bought this gate. All what you need to know is to pay your money. If you should pay your money, fine, you can go. But if you don't want to pay your money, you just park your car here. Or I'll open this small gate for you. You will trek out. Eh? You go to work like that, oh.
So how much are we talking about?
Now we are talking. 5,000 naira per month. For the past 7 months when you've been living here, you've not paid the damn.
You're telling me 7 months is 35,000 naira. Follow me, come and take your chicken change and open the goddamn gate.
Come here, my friend.
So take this and open the gate.
Gate. Goddamn gate.
Come open the gate.
Goddamn gate. The goddamn gate.
Now you've seen money, now you want to open the gate.
Son! Goddamn gate.
I do not understand where you got this your method of communication from, honestly. But I have to tell you, it's very rude, okay? It's very rude.
Goddamn gate. Goddamn gate. It's open. Brother! The gate is goddamn. Hey! Very simple, but has so much money. I'm down a registered private detective. So I'm no longer into any negative or shady deals. It would be appreciated if you guys tell me why you invited me to the Black Never.
Babylon. See, we ran into church, and he said they are planning to descend on Sazi. So all we need to find out from you is to know if you are aware of all this.
You saw George?
We heard.
How much do I pay you? I want you guys to kill George.
Why? Are you not the one that just told us that you are a registered private detective? Now you want us to kill George. Why?
That guy connived with Sazi to frustrate me. He defrauded me of my hard-earned millions. So I've been waiting for this opportunity to pay him back.
And you think that killing him is an ideal way to get back at him?
I cannot possibly be talking or thinking good of somebody who is desirous of my destruction. Look, I'll pay you guys handsomely if you kill George and present me with the good news.
Babylon, we have a business we had wanted to discuss with you. But honestly, you said you are no longer into negative business. Honestly, I and my friend, we are very, very confused. But could you please do us a favor? At least assist us to reach Sazi. Maybe I know you will like to do the kind of business we do.
Should I tell you the truth? I registered as a private detective because I want to hit Zion back in his own corner. I am interested in knowing his whereabouts. I sincerely am.
Wait. You also want us to present you his whereabouts?
Exactly. And I will pay you very well.
So when we
Romance called me yesterday. I don't know where the hell he got my number from. Besides, my hot line of that.
I think Helen should be your #1 suspect here. Wait, I wonder why you're dating that girl that Babylon messed with, used and dumped. Man, there are many beautiful girls out there that can give you better pleasure. Huh?
That's where you got it wrong, Humphrey. I'm not dating Helen. I know Babylon messed with her. I only see her as an ally. Besides, I brought her in strictly for information. And as we speak, I'm getting sick and tired of her.
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, 'cause I thought you were here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there. There's no way you can hide. You love me so, you say, yeah, yeah, and you throw it all away. You throw it all away. So what's the undertone? There is more to it, I see. You love me so, you say you love me, and you throw it all away. So what's the undertone? There is more to it, I see.
Well, I learned this business from a man who never trusted any woman. You are the first godfather I've ever seen who is so carefree with girls. I have an orientation that we shouldn't let the women know what we know.
I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. Oh, there you are. Why are you always coming late?
The gate man locked up the gate and insisted I should pay 35,000 naira security levy. I mean, that was stupid. And nobody informed me.
Everybody wants a secure neighborhood. But nobody's ready to pay the security levy. That's madness, you know.
Wait a minute, Humphrey, are you referring to me? Huh?
See, put that aside.
Humphrey, are you talking to me?
See, relax, man. You're here already. Let's put that aside. Did you pay the levy eventually?
Well, anyway, I had no choice. I had to pay.
So where's the money?
Yeah, $2 million.
Good business. Good business. Well, Baron, you take 20%, Humphrey, 30% for you, and I'm keeping 50. I guess it's good business. What do you guys think?
Well, Sazi, with all due respect, I disagree with you here. I think the time has come when we revisit this sharing formula that always leaves Baron with little money, and yet he works harder than you and I.
What business of yours is that? Are you now his mouthpiece?
What do you mean by that?
Why don't you allow him, if he feels cheated, allow him to speak for himself?
Sazi, you know what to do. I mean, you shouldn't wait for anybody to request for you to do this. You know I work hard. You know I work hard.
Baron, are you talking to me like that? Are you forgetting it's me, Sazi? You talk to me like that? Are you stupid?
Baron, you did the right thing, okay? That's right. So how do we share the money?
Man, no share for any dead man. Dead men don't have share. Let's go.
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there. There's no way you can hide. You love me so, you say, yeah, yeah. And you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the undertone? There is more to it, I see. You love me so, you say, you love me. And you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the undertone? There is more to it, I see. I have fallen a victim of this love. There is nothing I won't do for your love. Cause my heart is just arrested by your beauty and your charm. I can't give up all my interest just to stay with you all time. Don't regard my detractors, all they want is our separation. I can give my promise, I'll be there for you for real. So what is the undertone? There is more to it, I see. Yeah, yeah. Come to me, my love. You know, take your love away. Yeah, yeah. Never love my own, I say. Throw it all away. Build it somewhere. What's the undertone? So take your love away. Take your love away. Say you love me. Never love my own, I say. Throw it all away. So take your love away. Take your love away. Yeah, yeah. Never love my own, I say. Throw it all away. Build it somewhere.
Oh, it's the only thing you do in this house? Sleep?
I don't understand you.
You listen to me. I brought you in here for a purpose. And I do not see you living on purpose.
You confided in me that you loved me.
Oh, please.
You said you wanted us to spend time together. Are you trying to tell me there's some other reason why you brought me here?
Now you listen, Helen. I brought you in here so you can assist me bring in Babylon. So I can slowly kill him. I do not see you capability to do that. Go ahead, sleep.
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you were here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold.
Baron, I tell you what, never make the mistake of trusting a woman in your life.
Why are you saying this?
You see, 20 years ago, I confronted my mom to tell me who exactly my father was. You know what happened? She waited till I planted a pistol between her thighs.
You did what? But that's rude.
You can say that again, man. You see, I realized she was playing games with me. And that's it. I tried all diplomacies, persuasions. She never spoke one word. Trust me. Woman.
So what happened?
Yeah, I planted that pistol between her thighs and she opened up to me that morning. She told me exactly who the low-class idiot was that gave her the pregnancy.
So did you meet the man?
I went into his compound and I met his funeral.
So you believe that, isn't it? Man, that sounds stage managed. Don't you get it?
What do you mean stage managed? You think I'm joking?
Anyway, let's not go into that. You understand? I know my reasons for bringing you here, alright?
What are your reasons?
There you go. Yesterday, a man got into my apartment and was waiting for my return. He was wearing a mask.
What do you mean? I don't understand. Wearing a mask? He came to steal or something?
I don't know. I got into my apartment and he's there waiting for me. And I don't know his reasons for being in my apartment. I don't know. I don't understand. Father, as I speak to you, he's there. Right now, yes.
Okay, you know what? Let me check if I can identify any of his numbers.
No, listen, you know what? When I got into my apartment, I went straight to open the door.
Okay.
And here I met the man that owns all the listed numbers.
All these listed numbers?
I'm telling you.
This nigga.
I'm telling you, and he now instructed me that I should call. Check those numbers if you know any of those numbers. Go ahead.
No, this is not my phone. No, this is not my phone. No, this is not my phone. None of the numbers is saved in my phone. What do you mean? I mean, why don't you call this guy? Ask him some questions, at least find out who he is.
Humphrey, I'm not going to give this a shot. I will never do that. I will never call this man, and I'm not going to call any of those numbers either. Listen, I need to know the idiot that got into my apartment. Come on, we're no more kids now. Man.
Romance, you know, you can afford to talk to me anyhow because I am in your apartment. But I want you to understand something. I am no longer comfortable with the strategy you adopted. We have to do something fast. We have to.
George, you're my friend. But at times you talk like a child.
I am not a child.
I know. But at times you talk like a child. I've told you before that Sazi is not somebody who battle with mere guns. No.
And I'm asking you, what do we do? Do you want us to sue him for illegal trespass into our property? We can do that. But let me tell you something. Doing nothing is absolutely not an option.
I told you I'm making an inquiry, but that does not mean I'm not doing something. We need something mightier than Sazi to battle Sazi. But if we're giving the impression that our hope is in guns, then the land is gone, and there's nothing we can do about it. That's the truth.
You see, Romance, if you continue the way you are going, I might be forced to go solo. I can go all out on my own and deal ruthlessly with Sazi. Let me tell you something. I cannot afford to lose my investment. Never.
George, my friend, point of advice. Discretion is a better part of valor. I always believe it's better to avoid the battle you will lose.
I don't lose.
I know. I'm still making inquiry. But I will say, trust me and believe in me. If you trust me and believe in me, things will work out fine. But when you don't, and anything goes wrong, don't blame me at all, George. Don't.
Could it be because I've been feeling fresh with you that gave you the impetus, the guts to mess with my phone?
Oh, come on. Stop shouting on your baby. Okay. I swear on my life. No, I did not call anyone with your phone.
So how did Romance get my phone number?
Oh, come on, wise one. Come on. I don't even know who Romance is. So how can I call somebody I know?
Stop that. You stop that rubbish. Now, I will get to the bottom of this nonsense. And if I ever get to know that you are part of how Romance got my number, I swear to God, I will kill you.
No, you won't. You won't have the nerves to kill your baby. Not after all the wonderful things we've done together.
Nah. What makes you feel you're indispensable? What makes you feel you're indispensable? I'm going to warn you. Restrict your movement around this house. Because if any of my cameras catches you peeping through that window, you'll be sorry you did.
Zion, am I actually in bondage? I mean, why are you restricting me to the kitchen and the bedroom?
What did I hear you call me?
Oh, pardon my manners.
Where did you get that name from?
Oh, we're partners. I mean, you and I live in this house alone, meaning I have every right to know what is going on.
Don't come close to me. Now you listen to me, Helen. One more time. Restrict your movements within his house. Because if any of my cameras ever catches you peeping out, you'll be sorry. Get out of my way.
way outside. Out! Out!
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you were here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold.
Wow. Do you know why I called you? No. I like you. I like you because you have potential. Thank you. Do you know why they call me Madam Up and Down? They call me Madam Up and Down because I have the capacity to take people up. And I also have the capacity to pull anybody down. As in anybody. You know what I mean?
Mama, are you saying you're going to take me up?
Exactly. But you must settle down and learn what I want to teach you.
How do you mean, Mama?
New soldiers die, but old soldiers never die. Madam Beauty, you are not just an old soldier, but an archival one, for that matter.
Are you still into jokes?
Boy.
By the way, why are you here?
Can I use your phone?
Why not?
Thanks.
Mama, you can leave. I'll speak with you much later, okay? Is the number not going?
I just want to know if any of these numbers is stored in your phone.
What are you talking about?
You see, the owner of this number said I should call, and I don't know this fellow. I just want to know if any of these numbers belongs to any guy that is relevant, and if it is, it should be stored in your phone.
The numbers are not familiar. Okay.
You see, the man was wearing a mask and exhibits traits of a dangerous person.
I don't know any of these numbers. I don't. I don't know any masked man, and I have no business with any masked man.
You sure about that?
Sure, very sure. Now listen, I have no imports. Exactly the type you want.
See, Madam Beauty, I'm not here for imports. You know, somebody's messing around me, and I really want to, know the true identity of this person and get into my home. That's it. Honestly. Hello? Excuse me. I'll see you. Okay, bye-bye.
Man, what kind of call was that? Eh? What kind of call was that?
Do you have enough bullets in your house? Humphrey, I can't believe this. I mean, you called me here to ask me the number of bullets I have in my house. But we have a serious... Humphrey, are you alright? We have a serious problem. We have a serious problem, and that means we have to be on the alert all the time. Are you armed? You have bullets? What the hell are you talking about, Humphrey? What the hell are you talking about? You're joking, isn't it, man? You play with everything. I am not joking. I saw him buying bullets from the arms shop. He's getting ready for you and I. And we cannot let that happen. I mean it. We cannot let that happen. Are you aware you're talking about the guy I shot on the chest? Yes, I saw you shoot him right there. I was there. You get me? I was there. Listen. You can't trust a killer. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can't trust a killer. You're always on the alert. That means we have to do something first, brother. That's easy into magic lately or something. Some little voodoo. I I mean, I shot this guy on the chest and I saw him die right before my eyes. Listen, you cannot trust killers. Probably he could be wearing a bulletproof or something, I don't know. Jesus, this is not happening. Listen, we have to do something, my brother. We have to do something. We have to make the first move. Otherwise, you and I are going down. And this is not going to happen. Listen, I'm serious, okay? All right, let me get something to drink.
Could you come and open the gate?
Come.
Are you talking to me?
Of course. Come.
Have you gone nuts? What is your problem?
See, you don't need to start asking me my problems because you can't solve any. See, I don't need to ask you where you are going to because I know you are going for runs.
I beg your pardon. What gave you the guts to insult me? Eh? Do you know I can jail you for such reckless choice of word?
There is no reason for you to start feeling me. Eh? I called you to give you a clue. And see, my sister, come. I called you to give you a clue.
Listen, firstly, I am not your sister. Secondly, what clue are you talking about?
You see, these gates, I am in charge. I rule these gates, as in the goddamn gates. I am the king of these gates. Everything that happens here, I know. You see, that thing you're running outside to get, it's right here. As in, it's hidden in these clothes.
Listen to me, Mr. Making or whatever they call you. I have an important appointment to catch up with. Could you just be fast about it and tell me why you stopped me here?
Thank you. Come inside.
Hey, come back. Listen to me. If you're planning to rape somebody, you should know the kind of people to try. Because a ghost like you will not be able to rape someone like me. Let's go, so you tell me whatever.
So what are you talking about?
See, I called Babylon before, but they asked me to call him back. And ever since then, his number has not been going through.
Don't worry about that. I know where he stays.
But do you really think it's right for us to go to him without pre-notice? That would be wrong, you know.
We're thinking about that because how do we continue? Since he's no longer picking our calls.
See, you and I both live in this country. And you know how these useless networks operate. So I guess it's one of these their useless network failure. So I'll keep trying. See, just relax, I'll keep trying. So let's just go somewhere and sit down. I'll keep trying. Just go.
You know what? He opened his boots. I saw a bag and a briefcase. I was thinking he wanted to bring money under his packed clothes. Babe, I was dead wrong. Always I see babe now money. Cash!
Inside two of them.
Hey! Raw cash! As in money!
Wait, you are not serious. See, I don't joke, especially when money is involved. So how could you convince me that a money bag lives in this place?
Oh God! You dey underrate me! Now me they rule this close. Anything where they happen, I know. This guy has money. I saw money, cash. Babe, I never see that guy with chick before.
How could you be sure?
Oh.
No be man, no they talk like that.
I dey tell you, If na me be you, I go leave those useless, stupid men wey wan destroy this your good waste.
Listen, make it. Because I follow you come here, no go make you begin talk to me anyhow or insult me. Oh yeah, tell me, do you know what it does for a living?
Oh God, Gloria, stop asking. This guy is money. He's not a armed robber. He's a good guy.
How could you be sure now?
Oh.
I mean, for a young man like that to be carrying money around, he calls for questions.
See, all we need is to get the guy, hold her, grab the money.
I was in the middle of something when you called before. I am free now, so go on.
We ran into Amanda and she was looking very beautiful.
Can't believe this. You actually called me to talk about Amanda?
No, bro. The truth is, George had decided to go out of communication. But we have decided to get that bastard that you've always wanted there.
Should I tell you the truth, Bank? You are an idiot. And you dare not call this line again.
No, bros, wait. See, don't call the line. See, we actually ran into Sazi this afternoon.
You saw Zion? Where?
He came to the black neighborhood and he was making inquiry with this bad man that lives in the neighborhood, Mankato. See, anyone you see making inquiry with Mankato is up to something.
Now, if I ask you to take me to this Mankato, now, can you take me to him?
No, bros. See, Mankato has been looking for a way to deal with us. So if you come to the black neighborhood now, I think you've given him the opportunity he has been looking for. So don't try that.
Okay, you know what you guys will do for me now? Just keep your eyes on the ground and watch out for any other meeting he would have with this Mankato. Immediately you see them, call me immediately and I will come to the black neighborhood.
No problem.
What did he say?
See, the truth is, we really have to open our eyes to really look at those two people, Sazi and Mankato. So just open your eyes. That's the truth.
It's been established all over the world that the very reason why a woman wants a man is money. Yeah. 10,000 US dollars. And many thanks for all the memorable times we both had together.
Thanks for the money. But you see, I didn't follow you because of the money. I did because I wanted to be with you.
I'm afraid you've got to go. Yes, I brought you here because I wanted you to assist me bringing Babylon.
And that is what we are still planning. Don't tell me you reneged on your plans. Please, let me stay. I can help you.
I'm sorry, Helen. I made up my mind. I do not want anybody to assist me get Babylon. You must sleep.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Let's go.
Are you trying to tell me that you you see me as one of those women who can't be trusted? Come on! I dated Babylon, yes. And that is one mistake I regret till date. I realized that you are the man. I can deliver him to you. I want to lay down my life for you. Let me help you. Let me stay.
What rubbish are you talking about? What rubbish are you talking about, Helen? One of my cameras caught you peeping through the window. One of my cameras!
No. No. Your cameras couldn't have caught me peeping through the window because I never peeped. I mean, from the day I came here, you want me never to peep and I
Shut up! Shut up. I hate to hurt women. Don't push me.
No, I really didn't peep. Honestly, I haven't crossed the window line. Okay, let me explain to you why I peeped. I peeped because it was really close to here. Let me explain to you as to why I peeped. Wait.
No, girl.
Let me just explain to you why I peeped through the window. And honestly, let me help you. I can help you catch him. Honestly, I want to stay here with you.
Come on.
Please let me explain why I peeped through the window. Please. The window was just there and I...
Are you saying you come here? Listen to me before you come out.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Yes.
This is where we're going to part ways. Huh? Good. You never slept on my bed, did you?
No.
Good. We never met, did we?
No, this is the first time.
Good. You just come down and go in peace. And don't you ever in your life look for me again. Hey, not you. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, I did.
Don't you in your life ever look for me again. Now get out. 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 Get out.
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you were here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there. There's no way you can hide. You love me so, you say, yeah, and you throw me down. Throw me down.
Oh, my eyes deceiving me.
I must have gotten the gateway stuff.
Helen! Oh my God. Babylon! Hey, come on. Babylon! Come on, baby. Is that you? Yeah, what are you doing in Black June by this time of the night? Come in. A very dangerous place. What's that? Babylon. Just come in. It's you? It's okay. Just come in. Wow. Come on now.
Babylon, come on. What are you doing? It's you?
Come on.
Sati.
What are you doing in Black June? Come on. Close the door. Let's go. Close the door.
Babylon. Did to me? Have you?
Time comes in the life of adults when they must do less of children's stuff and take decisions like adults.
What the hell do you mean by that?
This is hotel lobby and we can't possibly stand here and talk.
If you think you're going to lure me into your hotel room and have me on a platter of gold again, you are mistaken. You called me a whore, a wacko, all the names in the world. Because of you, my sister and I do not speak till date. My father disowned me. You said you loved me and I believed you. I gave you myself and what did you do? You betrayed me. You betrayed me, Babylon. Shit! I can't believe I stand here speaking to you.
That Babylon is dead, buried and forgotten. That Babylon was suffering from youthful exuberance and actually this is a new man, different from the Babylon you used to know. A private detective, registered private detective, and you should feel free with me. Look, let's forget about the past and face the future. I met you today by an act of God. So, this is a new beginning. Let's reinvent our love to kickstart this new beginning.
Even God in heaven will be angry with you if you fail to forgive this man. I don't know him, but after listening to all he said, I believe he's telling the truth.
Yeah, well, buddy, I'm telling the truth. Thank you. You know?
You hired him to speak to me about you to weaken my spirit?
Hey, that's ridiculous. Come on, baby. Oh, man. Baby, I love you. I'm sorry.
Humphrey, I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't believe you. I don't believe you, Humphrey. I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't believe you. Man, I shot this guy and he died. I'm not going to stand here and listen to you tell me he's still alive. No, come on.
Call this line and see if he will pick.
Man, I've been calling all the numbers, no reply. I've been doing that for long. I've been doing that, man.
Baron, I'm a black man. And as well, I understand the intricacies of black business. And I can go out of my way to make things happen. Do you understand what I'm saying?
That's right.
Now, call this line. He's I have saved on this phone.
Man, honestly, you're stressing me. I've been calling these numbers, no reply. Oh boy, they stress me. You stress me, guys.
Come on, man, try it.
Yeah, who the hell is this?
Can I speak with Zion?
And who the hell is addressing me as Zion?
Man, what the hell is going on here?
I told you.
Eh? What the hell is going on here?
I saw this man, I told you. Didn't I? I told you I saw this guy. Probably I was right. He was wearing a bulletproof or something. I told you.
God damn it. What's going on here? Come on. What's going on?
You see? No. Have you seen why I said you're a whore? Why must you open yourself up to Zion of all people?
You're not going to exonerate yourself of blame. You abandoned me. My father disowned me. I had nowhere else to go. What was I supposed to do?
And you went to Zion. Why didn't you call me? No, why Zion of all people? Why?
Babylon, I'm sorry. Like you rightly said, I am an adult. I'll work it out.
Yeah, come on. Where you going, man? Where you going?
Babylon, you got me into this mess in the first place. I forgive you, but you have to let me go. Please.
Sorry. I never meant to offend you, okay? I just can't stomach the fact that he actually had you. But we can, can start a new beginning, okay? I think we're better together. Come on, come on. Here, come on. This treasure, man.
There you go.
I have a business to conclude. Whatever you want, just call them and order for it. I'll see you later.
Helen Nebolisa, a promising award-winning banker. This is your life.
I asked you to call me. Our call never came.
Who are you and how do you normally get into my apartment? My God. Babylon. Babylon, you are the one that has been threatening me. Tell me, what do you want? Sit down. I can't sit down. What do you want from me?
Now let us talk.
Sit down, Bobo. Baron,
you're a Popo.
But you still have to peel the Popo before you eat the Popo. The Babylon that is here is different from the Babylon that used to be a terror. Are you ready to work with me? What do you want from me, Babylon? What do you want? The Bible says that a man that kills by the sword shall die by the sword. I know that. And how does that concern me? My brother that was to be a priest was killed. Your own brother suffered the same fate just before his ordination. I've never told you my family history. So how did you get to know that my brother was killed weeks before his ordination? I am a private detective now, and I'm not doing badly at all. I am busy trying to uncover that dastardly act, and you are busy working for the same evil man that was responsible for the act. Who are you referring to, Babylon? The same Zion you work for was responsible for the death of our brothers. Babylon, I do not work for Zion anymore. I shot him, thinking he was dead. Later I found out he's alive. And right now as I speak to you, I have engaged the services of some boys to make sure I finish him. If the boy's out of this, I want us to work together in this. You want us to work together? Sure.
You may not believe it, but I think that what happened was an act of God. He took you to Zion so that you can take me to him. This man has killed many people in this country, including 7 seminarians. You cannot shield such a man from the law.
I'm not shielding him from the law. I did live in his house with him for weeks, yes. But I honestly do not know where his house is.
I'm not getting this. You lived in a house for weeks and you don't know the location of the house. How do you think anyone will believe you?
You have to try and understand me. Once you get close to his house, he covers your face. He takes away the covering when you're inside his house. Same thing happens when you're leaving, which must be at night. He has circuit cameras. You're not even allowed to peep through the curtains. I sincerely do not know where his house is, else I'll tell you.
Is he near the place I picked you?
No, never. I mean, we drove 6 kilometers before he packed and brought me out of the trunk.
The trunk? Are you telling me he actually drove you in his trunk?
He drove me in the trunk. He treated me like a common criminal. And that is why I have vowed to deal with him.
Remember any of his telephone numbers?
He doesn't allow anyone touch his phone.
In confusion, cause I thought you here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there. There's no way you can hide. You love me so, you say, yeah, yeah, and you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the undertone? There is more to it, I see. Love me so, you say you love me, and you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the undertone? The what? There is more to it, I see. I have fallen a victim of this love. There is nothing I won't do for your love. Cause my heart is just arrested by your beauty and your charm. I can't give up all my interest just to stay with you all the time.
You're coming.
Good morning.
You know my name? I don't know you.
Are you sure you don't know me, Barry?
Listen, I don't know who sent you. But I must tell you, I have a loaded gun. I hate using it. But if you're here to try anything from me, one day, then I will use it.
Is there anything wrong with a neighbor visiting another neighbor? I mean, I live in this close. I am your neighbor. Why are you threatening me with a gun?
Nobody knows me this close. How do you know me?
I'm not blind. You're the cleanest and the smartest guy in this place. I failed to know you then. I know nothing.
Just level up to me. What do you want?
You see, so many people believe that it is wrong for a lady to walk up to a guy that she likes. But I don't belong to that school of thought. I do anything that makes me happy. Anything at all.
So what are you saying makes sense?
If you decide to steal anything from me, anything at all, I won't complain. I will not. All I ask is for one thing. Let me be your girl.
The first thing you must notice that I'm not a thief. But do you think you have anything I would like to steal?
I know you're not a thief. I know that. And I wouldn't be here if you were one. Okay? I want you to take anything you want. Anything at all. Take anything you want from me. I won't complain. And should we call that thievery legitimately?
So what's your name?
My name is Gloria.
Listen, Gloria, I don't know why you were here. Okay? But if you need money, Just come out plain. You see, people do go funny when they need money. But if that is what you want, I'll give it to you. But I must tell you one thing. I'm not comfortable with your presence.
Why? I just like you. I want to be your girl.
And I told you to be fast. Why did you delay? What's your problem? Huh?
Some criminals cornered me yesterday. They beat me up. If not because of you, I will not be out by this time.
Serious? Trying to steal from you or something?
They found out I have no money on me. So they beat me up. But that's by the way. Where are you traveling to?
Yeah, you're taking me to the airport straight away, okay? I'm leaving the country. Okay. Take this letter. Take this letter. You know my friend Baron, that stays in Canal Close. Okay, just give it to him, eh? I'll call him when I get to Jordan.
You traveling to Jordan?
Yeah.
You going to pray or you going to fast? Because in Jordan, there is no alcohol. No champagne, no whiskey, not even brandy. No casino, no hot girls.
Okay, shut up.
Woman in this house, and I applied to be the woman. I'm making you all this offer because I like you.
Hi.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Guy. Babylon. It's obvious you're very busy. Babylon, I am facing an early morning mystery. It's obvious. I was here. She knocked, entered, and ever since we've been arguing. It's very amusing. Arguing over what? She said she wants to be with me. Cook my meals, massage my back, keep my house clean. Ah, you met her somewhere before? My brother, I have never seen her before. Babe, you're sure you want to do all these things she mentioned? Babe.
Look, I know his fear. All men fear sin. He's only afraid of marriage. But I know I never mentioned that. I only want to be with him because I like him. That's all.
Guy, this offer was made personally to you. My hands are not in it. So I beg to disassociate. Stay where you are. Don't make any move. And don't touch anything.
Okay.
My name is Mr. Bond. You still remember me?
Yes. Yes, I do. We met in the lobby last night.
Exactly. Please, may I have the honor of sitting with you?
Sure. Sit, please.
Thank you very much.
Honestly, Babylon, I don't know that girl. I've never met her before. I believe you. Cannot afford to be hostile to that girl. Never can tell when an angel is visiting. I know, but this girl is not an angel. She's just a neighbor who is trying to poke into my life and give information to my detractors. If I were you, I'll give that girl a chance. You know, it's not common for a girl that likes a guy to come boldly. You know, to tell the guy how she feels. Oh, Babylon, I strongly believe that girl wants to steal something from me. Would you try and steal something from her? Put your head. There's a beautiful girl in there trying to give herself to you on a platter. Act like a priest.
I'm wondering, who the hell do you think you are? You think you can just walk up to me and begin to ask questions about my guy to get information?
I am not planning anything against him.
Then why are you asking questions about him?
I like him. He has been in this hotel for the past 6 months. And yesterday was my first time seeing him with a woman. He doesn't come to the restaurant and he doesn't come to the bar. So we that live in this hotel see him as a strange man. So I was surprised when I saw him with a woman last night.
And that's not reason why you chose to interfere in our discussion last night?
I am sorry if that's the impression you have. But I was only being sincere. Because he sounded like someone that was telling the truth.
What exactly do you want, Mr. Bond?
Who is that man? And what is he doing in this hotel?
When you see a lion sleeping, run. Lions are extremely carnivorous and more brutal when provoked.
But you did not tell me.
You don't need to know my name. Define your business and mind them.
Wow. A strange man. It's romancing a strange talking woman. Wow. Everything is strange.
Sazi, what do you want from us? What? Tell me, what do you want?
Do you believe in life after death?
I don't understand what you mean. But if you're talking about heaven and hell, yes, I do.
Good. I believe in neither heaven nor hell. Because after life here, you're gone. If you led a bad life here, hoping for a better one after, then you're stupid. Because you'll be shocked to find out that there's no life after here.
What do you want? Sazi, what do you want from us? What?
If you don't want my trouble, you and your friend should stay away from that land.
Why? Why do you want us to leave that land? Why? We bought it for a business that will start in February. Why, Sazi? Can't you leave us alone? Can't you leave us alone? Eh? Can't you?
Do you think you can brace up to me? The supposed money you claim to have used in buying that land is my money. And that makes the land mine. I warn you and your friend for the last time. Stay away from that land.
Sazi, we've been friends for a long time. And we've done business together in the past. Let us not fight to finish.
Yes, fight to finish? We do not need to fight to finish. Because you were already finished. If you want me to show you what it means to be finished, then excuse me.
Mr. Man, I don't know what is wrong with you. Eh? Let me in. You cannot say you don't know me. I've been here several times.
Did I say I don't know you? You are not a stranger. Eh?
Then let me in now. You're embarrassing me. Eh? I'm here for business. I'm not here for play. I mean business.
See, if you must know now, there is a business going on in his apartment, which I wouldn't like you to disturb. What I suggest you do now is cruise around town, then in an hour's time, you come back.
Okay, see this letter now. I want to give him this letter. I promise you, I'm not going to stop any business going on here.
If this letter is the business you have in this clothes, give me the letter and be rest assured. When he comes out, I will give him the letter. Simple.
Are you stupid? See, let me tell you, all the powerful guys in town, they do business with me because I deliver. I said. So what I'm trying to tell you, the writer of this letter asked me to give it to Baron, not to anybody. Let me in, let me go and give it to Baron. Idiot. Stay here. You call me idiot? Look at you. I have bank account. Do you have?
See,
you're a fool.
As you can see, you are in a zoo. A zoo. You are a monk.
You are inside the zoo.
See, I'm here, you are there. Who is in the zoo?
Fool! I'm free! Ha! Master, get out! Let me talk to people that are reasonable.
Open the gate, open the gate.
Mr. Goddamn! Sorry, I'm fine, sir.
She says she lives in this place.
Ha! Ha! She's Gloria now. Eh? Ah! She lives in this clothes. She's the most decent girl I've ever seen in this clothes. I'm serious, I'm telling you. Master, how did you get this? You know now. Master, you are sharp. Oh. Thank you. Master, look at that fool. That taxi driver, do you know him? That is Alasiata, the transit man. The cab man, Alasiata. Where have you been all this while? What's happening?
Humphrey said I give you this letter. Yeah.
Okay, make you open the gate. Just drive behind me. Okay. Open the gate.
Okay, now because of you.
My friend, open the gate.
Get out. You don't get back account. You don't get in a zoo. You don't know what I do you get before. We are big boys. Shut up.
Have I not told you exactly what we are going to do to solve this problem once and for all? Why are you dragging your feet? Listen, Romance, if I lose that land, I am going to hold you responsible. Seriously.
I called you here because I want us to discuss something.
Discuss what?
I told you I was making inquiry, right?
And what have you found out? What have you found out? Sazi is coming at us with every arsenal at his disposal, and we need to force him to a standstill. We have to figure out how to force this man to a halt. Can't you just get it?
You just left here and I called you.
Really?
And I called you because I want us to work together.
And we are working together.
Exactly. But you see, I just discovered that We don't need guns to tackle Sazi.
If I should say that I know what we are talking like now, then I lie because I don't know what you're talking like. Yeah, I don't understand it. If you don't need gun, what else do you need? Is there anything mightier than guns? Romance.
Sit down, let me explain. Just sit down. George, sit down. It's a beautiful game. I'm enjoying it. I'm excited.
I'm really surprised about Humphrey. How could he abscond? I mean, he's the only one that knows where this house is.
Look, I don't like crying over spilled milk. Now that Humphrey is on the run, let us settle down and plan our attack.
Babylon, how do we plan this attack? I mean, I don't know where this house is.
You don't need to know everything. Whatever information you have, we'll use. I have Helen now, and she's ready to work with us.
Helen?
Yes.
And she parted ways with Zion. What's going on?
Look, the story is a bit complicated. That animal finally showed her his true nature. Can you imagine? That animal forced her into the trunk of his car and dropped her along Black June.
So where's she now?
Sorry, Baron, but I think we are dwelling over nonsense. Humphrey is out of it because his brother was not among the seminarians that were butchered by this animal. We are the ones that will avenge our brother's death.
I put it to you that you and that useless, good-for-nothing gate man had something in common.
I beg your pardon. Are you alright? What are you talking about?
Let me tell you, I am Alasiata, the taxi driver. I know everything that I want to know. See, that time Oga was asking that useless guy if he knows you. I saw the way both of you just arrange yourself. Both of you have something in common. You can't deny it.
Listen to me, whatever they call you. As you can see, I am having a wonderful time here. And I wouldn't want you or anybody to spoil my day. Did you hear that? So you back off.
I just want to warn you. See these guys? I know them. They are the mafians. I work for them. See, if you're planning to play any kind of game, be careful. Because if they catch you, they will squeeze you, cut you into pieces of meat, move you to room 18, and flush you down, and nothing will happen.
Do you know what? Mind your business. Did you hear me? Mind your business. I am not into any games, so you back off.
I just talk my own. Be careful.
Oh, Haribo Hiamu. Are you sure this land belongs to you?
Yes, we are sure. Yeah, we are not lying. We bought it for a business that is about starting in February.
Big business?
Very big one.
Yes. So what do you want from me?
Prophet Matador.
Yes.
An evil man is encroaching on that land. And he's such a wicked man who is in the habit of killing people. And once he kills anybody, nothing happens. Nobody questions him. He now wants us to give him the land, but we don't want to. Like I said, we want to use it for our business in February. Big business.
So you want me to kill this man?
Exactly. We want him dead. No. I don't want any man's blood on my head. Matador, all we want is let him just forget about the land and look another way.
Now listen, both of you. You must agree before I start anything. Because in the spirit world, we work with concordance.
Concordance?
Sir.
Well, why are you protecting? No, I'm not protecting him. The man's blood is too dangerous.
Oh,
just but we agreed. Oh. We have agreed. We have agreed. Prophet, we have agreed. Let him just do anything. Let him forget the land. Let him just go away. Goes this way, we will go away. We don't want any business with him. I'm not protecting. I want him to die now, but I don't want his blood on my head. Okay, let him die. Blood is blood on my head. Take my blood. Blood, blood.
Oh, Haribo Hiamu. What you have with you there is a highly metaphysical substance. You shall go to the said land, locate the center of the land. And at the center of the land, you shall read Psalms 91. Psalm 110 and Psalm 143. After which, you shall sprinkle the substance in that bottle all over, everywhere. Everywhere on the land. And the chief musician shall play the tones that will set this very man on the run.
That's all?
Simple like music. Simple.
Oh my God. So how much are we going to pay?
You shall give me 50,000 naira now. And on the return of my bottle, you will bring a balance of 50,000 naira. Oh, yeah, the bottle.
I should do what? You know just
I don't understand you.
Oh, I will understand later. Just give me money.
Oh, I've collected the bottle. You also said,
just do the thing. Don't worry. This is a bundle of 50,000. Oh, Prophet. Give it.
Oh, yeah, the bottle. I don't understand you.
Don't do this thing. Don't trust me. You see how about that? I tell me no.
What? Do you like this one, or you want me to get you another one? I have expensive one.
Yeah, this is okay.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Take this one.
So I can.
Alright. It's one of the best we have. You see, just like the girls we have. Here, you can see that. No many things. She's well endowed. She is. Yes, so am I too. You know? Anyway, your friend came here last week.
My friend? Which one of my friends?
The one you call the Baron. The one that never stays without a gun.
He was never my friend. He only worked for me. Madam Ini, let's save this for another day. Okay? I'd like to ask you this. Right?
Yeah, go ahead.
If you're paid to kill a man, can you do it?
If I'm paid to kill a man, can I do it? Of course I can do it. If the pay is right.
This is $1,000.
Yeah. $1,000.
Once you have the job done, you get another $1,000.
Why do you want me to kill the Baron? Why don't you kill him yourself?
Madam Yudi, it's not as if I cannot kill myself. But the question is, am I saying it before I do? What? It's the most important thing that I want him dead. You see, this man, can't believe it. This idiot sent some monkeys after me to attack me. This is the very man I saved from bankruptcy. Had the temerity, the guts to send these monkeys after me. But I was equal to the task. Because I leveled all of them up, spared one, Had him confess.
Well, if you really want him dead, it will cost you $10,000, you know? He's worth more than $100,000. Yes!
But I mean, that's where you got everything. Whatever that man, whatever he has, how many possible? He's a nobody. He's a pot. Whatever money you see him spend, take from him.
You know, Esin is very expensive. So, if you haven't got $10,000 to pay, well, you can handle it yourself.
Sazi, why are we parked here? I mean, I don't get it. We've been driving around the whole town without any destination. Where are you taking me to and why are we parked here?
Sweetheart, we're just 4 kilometers away from my lodge, okay? And customarily, okay, I cover girls' face before I get to my house. Okay, because I don't want you to know where my house.
I don't get it. You want to cover my face? You must be joking.
Honey, I'm not joking. That's the way I operate. Okay? So please, permit me to cover your face. You know. I promise you, once you get into my room, I will uncover you. And then tomorrow morning, $1,000.
$1,000 to risk my life? You must really see me as a cheap girl. Please, take me back to where you brought me from. Please, I'm begging you.
Okay, $2,000.
Gosh. Please, can you take me back to where you brought me from?
Sweetheart, I'm just begging you. It doesn't hurt. Let me just cut. Hey. I hate to do this, you know. The girls don't mess with me. Okay. And if you do, I'll shoot you. And I mean it. So do you mind? I'll be very nice with you, okay? As long as you just relax, okay?
A picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there, there's no way you can hide. You love me so, you say, yeah, and you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the other to know? There is more to it, I see. Love me so, you say you love me, and you throw it all away. What's the other to know? There is more to it, I see. I have fallen a victim of this love. There is nothing I won't do for your love. Cause my heart is just arrested by your beauty.
See, I don't know what happened though. That taxi man is suspecting both of us.
How?
Did you tell him anything?
I didn't tell him anything.
He said that he can vouch that something exists between you and me. Oh, I mean, I was stunned on how he managed to know.
Gloria, leave that idiot.
Eh? All what we need to be doing now is to think. Think about the money. That is all what we need to do now.
See you, make him. I know we need money, but me, I no want to die.
Did NPS tell you that he's planning to kill you?
The taxi driver told me that they are mafia. And based on what I have seen, I think I believe him. Me, I don't want to die.
Gloria.
I don't want to get involved with the mafia. You know they can kill at any slightest provocation.
Gloria, I've told you to forget about that idiot. He's a fool. He's just a common taxi driver. When no fit fuel in car. See, let me tell you, Baron is a good guy. Yes, he cannot hurt a fly. Not to talk more or less of killing. Gloria, think. Make we think. Think. Money.
What are you talking about? Madam, what are you talking about? I'm telling you, your girl broke my nose, and you're telling me I'm not serious?
I don't want your trouble. Just the same way I know you don't want mine. Listen, my girls are sleeping, and you shouldn't be shouting.
Are you telling me I'm shouting?
Oh, yes.
Me?
Yes.
You realize who you're talking to? Do you? You're talking to me? Zion? Sazi? You offender? You have the guts to talk to me?
Well, you can offend those you can offend, but you don't bring it near my head. No, you don't. You don't. Listen, let me tell you, if you try anything funny with any of my girls, I'll burn you real bad, so bad, you're gonna forget your name for months. How can you suggest covering my girl's face? Do you know how much it costs us monthly to treat those faces? Do you know?
Can I have my car keys? Can I have my car keys?
I can only give you your car keys after you've given me $2,000. That's the payment for psychological torture you meted out on my girl.
But I should pay you $2,000?
Yeah.
Your girl broke my nose and I bled from it, and you're asking me to pay?
That's if actually you want your car. And if you're not ready to pay, then you forget the frigging car.
Very well. Here, $2,000. Can I have my car, please?
Next time you want any of my girls, you're ready to pay for your hotel. Don't you dare touch me! Don't force me to do what I'll regret, okay? Get off me!
I promise you. Yes. It's a promise.
Who cares? Who cares? That's... What the hell do you think you are? Clara! Clara! Come in here.
Oh, gosh, your service.
Here's $2,000 from the madman.
Money thing. Mama, you know what?
What?
You see that guy says? That guy is not as deadly as we think. The guy is simply vulnerable.
Clara, you don't know Sazi very well. He's not just evil. He's diabolic. I'm not afraid of him. You can come in and relax and enjoy your money.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah.
I see center, I see the water.
The man said we should find the center of the land and we can do this thing.
Yeah, let's do it in the center now. So
It should be the
where is
center.
the center? Where is the center?
You should know. Is it there?
And if it's there, we are sure being in the middle.
So find the center and let us do this thing now.
We are saying the same thing. If there's no center, let's do it here. Oh, let's do it anywhere.
Are you sure it's going to work?
To work, matador. To work. Matador.
Let's do it. What is that first one? That first one.
Psalm 91.
I don't know why you want us to do this. Just take this man to kill this man.
But we are here already. Let's do it. To work.
He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shelter of the Almighty.
Amen.
I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress.
Yes.
My God, in Him will I trust.
Amen.
Surely He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence.
Amen.
He shall cover thee with His feathers, and under His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shade and buckler.
Yes.
Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day.
No way. No way.
Because He has set His love upon thee, therefore will I deliver him.
Amen. This I'm not worried.
I will set him on high, because he had known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him.
He will answer me.
I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Hey, what the hell are you doing on my land? I ask you again, what the hell are you doing on my land? I thought I told you never to set your foot on this land. Have you ever to come here? Is that goddamn book on my land?
This is not translated, it's not goddamn.
Holy Bible.
It's Holy Bible.
So what the hell has that goddamn book got to do with my land? Hey. Robert! What do you have in that bottle? Oh, this bottle. It's holy water. Holy water. Beautiful. Now open the holy water. Open it up. Open the holy water. Oh, it's holy, but it's not drinkable. Shut up! I said open the holy water and drink half of it, and then pass the remaining half onto the quick. Now, you got 30 seconds.
Yeah? I have my...
I'll open it. 30 seconds. Yeah?
I have my
30 seconds. Open it. Open. 1, 2, 3. It's not drinkable. 4, 5, 6. Drink. 7. I let him drink. I said drink. Drink from it. I drink. Go on, drink. Drink. Come on, drink. I'll pass it on. Drink. Hey. Drink and pass the remaining half. You never did that, bro. What did that? I said half. Go ahead.
Wait! Stop! Sir, what's it? Stop for what? This is a lonely place and I don't like lonely places. I just saw a car that looks like Sazi's car. You're looking for him, right? Turn! I'm coming with you!
Don't come with me!
I will shoot
out. Are you sure Sazi lives here? Why are you asking unnecessary questions? I'm very, very sure Sazi lives here. He lives here. I'm sure. I'm very sure. Now tell me exactly what you want me to do. If after wasting this time, I find out that Sazi doesn't live here, tell me. If you don't want to work with me, just tell me. If you don't want to work with me to make Sazi pay for all his crime, just tell me. I'm very, very sure Sazi lives here.
I'm sure he lives here.
Lives here.
I've not heard any sound.
Just relax. He lives here. He lives here.
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there. There's no way you can hide. You love me.
Who is this?
You say, yeah, and you throw it all away.
Can you listen to me since you don't want to talk? Never you ever call this number again. I have the capacity to trace you to wherever you're calling me from. But I wouldn't do that. Don't give me room to. Because if I do, death awaits you.
Cause my heart is just arrested by your beauty and your charm. I can't give up all my interests just to stay with you all the time. Don't regret.
saw that idiot driving here, then let's rush him and attack him.
Babylon, it's going to be a futile effort.
What's your problem? You're just very stubborn. We've gotten this bastard. Is it not better for us to rip his living flesh off his bones?
There's no way you're meeting him inside that house.
Why? How do you think so?
The man has an underground tunnel in that house that leads to an armory. At that armory, the weapons in that armory can last him a whole year. The minute he notices any form of suspicion or incursion, he moves. There's no way you're meeting him inside that house.
So what do we do?
I told Baron that the best thing is for us to plan, and planning is the only option we have.
Hold on. Hello?
Hello, it's Miss Lai.
What happened? Are they here with bank?
Yes, I managed to get Aziz's number. I actually called him a few minutes ago. And guess what? He was threatening me on phone.
Did you tell him your name?
No, I didn't. Because he was very, very hostile. See, I'm actually calling because I want us to track him down using the digital phone.
Miss Lai, I appreciate your efforts, okay? But there's no need trying to track him with digital phone, okay? I now know his address. And we're planning something big for tonight.
So where are you guys now? No, tell me, I want to be part of the plan.
Come to Madam Up and Down. Later tonight.
Okay, I'll be there.
Bye.
All the powers on air will bear me witness that I told you. I told you. Locate the center of the land. Read the sound. And sprinkle the water everywhere.
Matador, it was not simple for us to locate the center of the land as you said. We are talking of a large expanse of land, where it was not possible for us to locate the center of the land. There and then we decided to do the ritual in any other part of the land. That's what we did.
You decided. Are you listening to yourself? You decided. Who gave you the power to decide? The instruction was simple. Locate the center of the land. Read the psalm and sprinkle the water there. If you have done that, the man will not meet you there. Your disobedience brought the man there.
Matador, I can see that you don't understand what you are saying here. You don't know this man called Romance very well. He was a nice man. This contraption, this fraudulent contraption we call our country that is not working, will work one day. It must work one day. And Romance was planning to be among the people that will make this country to work. His death is not good for the country. Is there nothing you can do to bring him back to life? He can't just die now.
Your friend Roman is dead. And there's nothing we can do to bring him back to life. He drank the water of the musician, thereby embalming himself for life. Your friend cannot decay. He's embalmed for life.
You are supposed to do something. He was a great man that just died though. He was making some good plans. Do something.
know, Clara, deep down inside your mind, I'm sure you might be thinking that I do not know what I'm doing. You think I'm weak? Well, that's why you got it all wrong. I let you go the other night because there's something I didn't want you to know about.
Sazi, you think I don't know? Huh? See, I know the reason why you let me go. Okay? You let me go because there's something unique inside of me. Something you're dying to experience. Tell me the truth.
You think so?
I don't think so. I know so. Sazi is a terror in the land. I mean, all men fear you because they think, or rather they know you can do the unthinkable. Deep inside of you, you're an angel. I can see your heart. Sweetheart, see me as an angel. Okay? I am here to change you. And surely I will.
Change me? By the time I'm done with you, I want you to repeat what you just said.
Zion. Mr. Zion. Comrade Zion. It's shocking when you're seated here so vulnerable. One would never believe this is you.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Excuse me.
I've been meaning to ask you. There are two sides to a coin. Do you know the better side?
What did you come here with? What did you come here with? Huh? One wrong move, you are dead! It's all right. It's all right. Babylon, what's the meaning of this? Babylon! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Come on, boy! Come on!
I've been given a picture of the kind of man you were. I am thrown in confusion, cause I thought you were here for real. As the days are going by, your many sides unfold. I can see the signs all there, there's no way you can hide. You love me so, you say, yeah, yeah, and you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the other? There is more to it, I see. You love me so, you say, you love me, and you throw it all away. Throw it all away. What's the other? with you all time. Don't regard my detractors. All they want is our separation. I can give my promise. I'll be there for you for real. So what is the undertone? There is more to it.